In this channel, we will make Japanese baby food that is focused on baby's health and sense of food in the future. I want to share this with you. Let's make it! Hi Mama, nice to see you again. I'm Kana. Today we are not from kitchen. Today we're gonna talking about what has changed my baby day in 2 weeks after starting baby food. I'm gonna talk honestly today. So today my husband, he gonna ask me like an interviewer and then I'm gonna answer it about the rates of baby food life.
Okay, so when did he start to eat baby food?
So he started the baby food the beginning of June, but it's not actually started. I just give him only rice porridge and some veggie, but it was not constantly. So I just start like my routine like end of June 27. He just turned 7 months. My other Japanese friend, she tried so hard and it looks so great. I got so much inspired her. That's why I just started like real. Yes, I just start May 27th.
Okay, so what has changed 2 weeks after starting baby food?
So the biggest change is his poops. He didn't poops for 5 days like normally. It's not constantly, but after starting baby food, he do 3 times poops in per day. I think it's the biggest changes for him from the baby food. Also, his hair growing a lot, and he used to have a lot of eczema, but now it's anymore. I think he gets positive effects right now. He has no allergies from any vegetable. I think it's right now we are doing good, and his change is positive.
Okay, so what is going on about his baby food schedule?
Yes, so he tried to do one first veggie per day. It's the stage 1 baby food for him, so it's so beginning. It's like an experiment. We need to see how he's reacting. Sometimes allergy happens, so we have to try in the morning, and weekday is the best because we can go doctor if he has allergy after he eating the veggies. So I try one kind of the veggies per day, and then I try to keep for 3 days or 5 days that veggies, same veggies. After one kind of veggies, he's okay, and then I try another one. He already eat a lot of rice porridge, so his main carb is rice right now. So I add veggies in the rice porridge, and then he eat well. For example, in my real data, I tried first winter squash, June 27 to 30th. So 3 days I tried winter squash and then rice porridge only. Then after I started to try carrots and rice, I could see winter squash and carrots if he has the allergies. So I can see different experiment. And then his reaction was winter squash. He confused face, but I think carrot he liked it. He smiled and he eat a lot. So it's also good to see how his reaction. And then maybe the next day, winter squash first day he was so confused, but the next day he looks little bit okay. So that's like we can see the reaction if we continue to keep to eating same veggie for a few days. It's like my experience and my real data.
How long does he take to eat?
So normally he takes a half an hour. It's average, but it's shorter, I think. Sometimes he eat and then after 15 minutes he looks so sleepy and then he go to sleep. He want to my breast milk. That time I'm gonna wait until he wake up Then after wake up, I try to do again. I think both I and then Ray, we are not sure yet what time is the exactly the best timing. So we still trying what is the best, what time is the best for him. But normally I give him baby food around 11 a.m. But also that time he wanted to take a nap, so it's difficult. Please let me know if you have the good solution.
Okay, so how do you prep his daily meal?
So normally I defrost the frozen rice porridge in microwave, but that actually is so dangerous. One time it explode in the microwave. So I asked my Japanese friend, she's so smart. She said she steamed the rice porridge in the pan. So that one is most safety. So also I can steam the veggies, so I can defrost both rice porridge and veggies same time. So it's so safety and I'm comfortable too. And then it only takes 10 minutes to 15 minutes to defrost. So I recommend if you wanna use the steam pan, I think it's the best for the defrost. I also prep my rice porridge for 6 days. It helps me a lot. I froze them and each day I defrost. But the taste is still fresh. So I recommend if you wanna freeze the rice porridge, it's the best way for you. I was so happy to share my baby food story today. If you have your baby food story and if you have any question, please put the comment in the below. Also, I'd like to share next 2 weeks what's gonna happen for him. So thank you for watching today and then see you next video. Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye! Sayonara! Bye bye!